After getting to the Girls AIing and Vibing site, you'll be directed to this page. You don't have a sign-in account, so you will have to select the Create a New Account button as shown. When you come into this page, you will want to enter your username as your email address. Also, same address for your email address, and then assign a password that you will remember. Um, and I urge you to write that down. Then select the blue button to submit, and you'll be directed to the sign-in page. And just input your email address and again password to sign in. When you sign in, you'll be directed to a profile page. As you'll select the learner student text box, enter your full name. You do not need your middle name, and the organization code that your educator has provided you. And I just did that. It automatically assigns you to the group that your teacher leader has assigned you to, and then you'll just complete your profile and you'll enter the website. That's it.